Hello. I've got my second day super messy, dry shampooed, product all in it hair because I'm going to show you guys the easiest messy bun ever and a couple of variations you can do. You don't have to have bangs for this. I've done this before bangs too. So what I have here for my messy buns, I love these. So these, I just got this at Target. Not like just got this because I haven't been to Target in like 2 weeks, and the last time I went there was no toilet paper. So it like angered me and I couldn't go back. So anyway, I got that from Target. So what I'm gonna do, I don't want my hair to be perfect, is just pull it up into a high ponytail right here. And then at this point, I do like to pull out the hair and just relax it a little bit. You guys know me, I love my volume. So I'm gonna do that. Now, grabbing my little, this isn't the Invisibobble, but it's like the same concept. I am going to not make this super tight. I want it tight, but I want to leave just enough to where I can pull. This is another point too, where you can kind of shape your hair a little bit. If you have bangs, you can pull them out, leave them down. If you don't have bangs and you want some wispy loose pieces in the front, this is the point where you would pull those out too. I think I might end up pinning my bangs back today because I'm also going to show you how you can put a little scarf in your hair. Couldn't think of the word. Okay, so I've got it loose enough. And you can also, if you guys want to beforehand, you could back comb this area just a little bit if you want to keep more volume. I ended up kind of having some wave to my hair, so I don't need it. But if my hair is straight, then I need it. So now what I'm doing, gosh, I shouldn't have worn a sleeveless today. You guys get to see my armpits, sorry. So now I'm going to take this part here and I'm pulling it from the back and I'm going to twist it around. And I'm not gonna pull my hair all the way through this time. I'm just gonna bring it through just a little bit. And I like to leave some out because I like a messy, relaxed look. I could leave it like that. I can manipulate it a little and then reshape this area. I did pull a little bit of this back here. Reshape this. If I wanted to leave my bangs down, I would probably straighten them, and I would have pulled a little bit of this back into the pony as well, just to leave a tiny bit of them out. But I'm going to tuck these today. And then with short hair, if you guys have short hair, let me show you, I have an undercut. So that helps when I'm pulling my hair up to not have so much fallout back there. But I do have to clip a little bit of hair because these, like right here where it's shorter, is usually what falls out. So I can't see back there right now, so I'm just kind of doing it by feel, and then I'll fix it when I'm done with this. But you could do this with like a cute little bobby pin. Like I have this one, but I want to be a little bit more casual today. The one I put back there, don't judge because I can't see, is this like double clip. I got that at Target too. I love this one. And I think I'm just gonna grab a bobby pin today and just pin these bangs back here. Or you could always, sometimes I wear them up, like, ooh, that's kind of cute, let's do this. See, so just play around, just have fun with it. So with my bangs, play around with that. You could do this even if you don't have bangs to just get a little bit of, well, that's not fun. Need to repin that. To get a little bit of volume up front, just a little more playfulness, depending on how casual you want. Get this out. And then I also like, when I'm gonna do, I'll show you with the scarf, I like to have my bangs pinned back too. So then just, okay, I'm struggling with this one, hold on. Okay, and then for these wispy bangs over here, I'll just spray them back a little bit here. And then once you've got it shaped where you want it, just do a few spritzes. I don't like mine to be perfect. when I do it. I like it to be messy, just for a more casual look. So I'm not gonna worry about any of this here, and I'm just gonna spray it. And then if you wanna pull some pieces out here. So this is where I was saying if you don't have bangs, you could pull some pieces, those wispy pieces that just lay down there. And then the back, you can see, is not, that's not perfect either. That's just how I like it. I like it to be like I just threw it up because I literally just did, right? So if you want to add an extra little piece here, I've got this cute silk scarf. So I've got it folded, and then I can just wrap this around, and then I like to tie it off to the side a little. I don't want the knot right at the top. But this is cute too. So if you have the wispy pieces hanging out, or if you have bangs hanging out right now, if you want to pin them back, you can. If you want to pin them right back in the middle, you can. Sometimes when I wear a scarf, I also like to just let a little bit of the pieces back here that are shorter just fall out. And so I just have more of that, more of the relaxed, casual, like just threw it up, right, look. But this is kind of fun. So just manipulate it how you want it, piece things together, pull some hairs out, make it as clean or as messy as you want. I like the messy look. And then up here too, if you need to just loosen up a little bit of the hairs behind here to get a little bit more volume, you can. And then throw on some cute earrings. And then over here, since I did pull some of these out, I just have my flat iron on a low setting. And so you want to see how I kind of like pulled straight out from the root and then brought it straight down. There we go. Easy, fun, minimal effort. Anyone can do it. Go play.